What do you guys think of this costume?
What is it?
Tampon?
No, I'm a mommy.
I love mommy.
No, just
I'm not a big
mommy.
fan.
What?
It's not really sexy.
What?
It's
Look,
like-
look,
Really
look,
sexy.
this.
No, it's
Don't
like
do
covering
that.
everything up.
Dude. Hello. Who are you?
Guys, it's me, Hope.
Holy crap!
Oh, man.
Wow.
You look
Where'd
awesome.
you get all that stuff?
You're so
Thank you.
sparkly.
I know.
What happened?
Well, funny story. I won the lottery.
Hook a brother up?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Hook a brother up.
Hope, the appropriately named homeless girl.
Hope, even when you were dirty and you smelled terrible and you dry heaved on me all the time, I still thought we had a spark. And I felt that you and I could have some pretty good looking kids together.
That's really sweet, but I'm gonna have to pass.
Hope, I want you to think back to us taking you off the street, lovingly scrubbing you in our sink.
Look, can you just cut to the chase here?
I'm not above worship.
Well, I've hired manservants to do that, so thanks anyway.
Yeah, next time. Listen, Hope, I play the saw, and every night I will serenade you to sleep, and then I will hold you in my gigantic arms, and I will rock you back and forth.
Look, I don't know how to tell you this, but I'm just too good for you. Okay?
It's true.
I don't know any other way to say it.
You know what? This is crap. We pulled you out of the ditch. We washed you. We fed you
I fed you
saltines. One of us deserves to reap the benefits of this, and I demand that you pick one of us.
Well, stupid Jim. I've always thought you were kind of cute.
So,
Really?
I'm not really looking for a commitment right now, so you understand, right?
Well, that's fine. Look, I don't need any of you, okay? I've got my copter. I've got my island. I have to go. I'll see you guys around, or maybe not.
She said copter.
Yeah.
That's a cool way to say helicopter.